Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartHome. Today, we're going to show you how to reset the Echo Spot. Whether you're experiencing issues with your device or preparing to sell it, resetting can often solve many common problems. Stick around as we guide you through the steps to reset your Echo Spot quickly and easily. Step 1. Preparation. Before we begin, make sure your Echo Spot is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. It's also a good idea to disconnect any external devices or accessories that may be attached to it. Step 2. Locate the reset button. On the back of your Echo Spot, you'll find a small reset button. It's usually near the power adapter port. This button is crucial for initiating the reset process. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button. Using a paperclip or a similar tool, press and hold the reset button for about 20 seconds. You'll notice the Echo Spot screen will go blank and then display the Amazon logo. Keep holding the button until you see this. Step 4. Wait for the reset. After releasing the button, your Echo Spot will reset itself. This process usually takes a minute or two. You'll know it's done when the device prompts you to set it up again, similar to when you first bought it. Step 5. Set up your Echo Spot again. Once reset, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Echo Spot. This includes connecting it to your Wi-Fi network and signing in to your Amazon account. You can also customize settings like clock faces and preferred language during the setup. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Echo Spot. Remember, resetting can resolve many software issues and prepare your device for a fresh start. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.